Are human workers obsolete in the supply chain, or are we simply asking the wrong question? The answer is here, and it is rewriting global logistics overnight. Welcome to the era of human-centered agentic AI. Major cloud providers are aggressively shifting from basic generative AI to foundational, human-guided agentic systems for B2B logistics. Google just rolled out Agentspace, an enterprise platform bridging siloed supply chain data with explainable AI. By utilizing explainable AI, it shatters the black box, giving human operators a clear audit trail to trust and validate every AI decision.
Google Agentspace is now available to everyone in Google Cloud. Agentspace is a central hub for AI agents in the enterprise with integrations to products like Google Drive, SharePoint, ServiceNow, Jira, and Confluence, and a bunch of others too. Of course, Agentspace has also a default entry point agent, which is a Google-built search agent.
The operational impact is profound, shifting companies from reactive firefighting to proactive command by creating a real-time digital twin. Early adopters are slashing inventory carrying costs by up to 50%, while boosting forecast accuracy. Meanwhile, Microsoft is heavily investing in the open agentic web, noting that 81% of global business leaders are integrating AI agents into their 2026 roadmaps. Through the open agentic web, AI handles predictive forecasting, while human teams negotiate high-stakes supplier deals. AWS is officially declaring the end of the AI experimentation era. They've formed a strategic collaboration with Flagship Pioneering to scale digitally native supply chains in the highly regulated life sciences sector. The new AWS and Strategy Mosaic partnership introduces the universal semantic layer.
I think over the course of the past few years, the progress has exceeded even the loftiest of expectations. We're seeing fundamental insights that offer the prospect of migrating drug discovery from what has been an artisanal craft into a much more engineerable endeavor.
This acts as a translation bridge, enforcing shared business meaning and governance across fragmented systems. The result for planners and buyers is absolutely staggering. AI agents now spot disruptions, simulate solutions, and rebuild forecasts in real time. By the time executives arrive at work, the AI has already curated context-aware triage recommendations for final human approval. According to Next Move's strategy consulting analysis, the human-centered AI market is predicted to surge to a staggering $36.7 billion by 2030. That represents a massive compound annual growth rate of 20.6%. This explosive growth is driven by two massive regional engines solving distinct industry bottlenecks. North America holds the current market lead at 39%, utilizing AI vision for high-precision manufacturing to solve labor shortages and drive reshoring. Conversely, the Asia-Pacific region is the global growth leader, boasting a 42.5% CAGR. For B2B investors and supply chain leaders, the experimental phase of AI is definitively over. Human in the loop, agentic AI is the new baseline for survival and resilience. Read the full report at Next Move Strategy Consulting. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more market intelligence.